Brief public announcement. Judicial misconduct conspiracy review. YouTube link, type in help from Obama and Governor Brown. I am requesting financial assistance and a passport from President Obama and California Governor Jerry Brown to move to the first slave settlement in California, Allensworth, Texas, until I can seek asylum either in Mexico, Brazil, Jamaica, or Johannesburg, South Africa, and move away from Fresno's Hitlerist evil judicial judges, DA's office, and Fresno Police Metro Magic Team. In short, declaration reissuance of Fresno citizenship and asylum if this civil matter can't be resolved ASAP. See federal cases 11 CV 596 and 11 CV 184, Eastern District of California. Criminal case F-109-04-103, Fresno Superior Court of California. Note, they are conspiring to violate my Basic Amendment rights through reckless negligence and intentional neglect behind a malicious arrest by a Metro Magic tactical team caught on videotape fabricating a police report. Thus, I request a review from the United States Department of Justice, the U.S. Attorney's Office, Eastern Division of California, California Department of Justice, Kamala Harris, Complaint for Law Enforcement Division, Commission of Judicial Performance, and the Fresno Grand Jury. Judicial misconduct conspiracy review. For first, conspiracy to commit a 14th Amendment due process right for not moving my criminal case to a real judge. Commissioner Byrd and attorneys were trying to force me to have my case heard in a commissioner's court, not a real judge. It took 8 months until I was granted this Basic Amendment right. 2. Conspiracy review for prejudicial prosecution. The delay in moving the case to a real judge, not a commissioner, caused me to lose video footage from a store that I was in minutes before the tactical team arrested me on 8/2/2010. Lost video footage that could have cleared me from false allegations. Fault of Commissioner Byrd and Attorney Soap and Kumo and Associates. 3. Conspiracy to commit legal malpractice. Judge Sanderson was trying to force me to keep an attorney that would not file the basic motions for a real judge, had a no-show in court, did not call one witness or take one witness statement for a prelim, and defrauded the county, lying about his appointment hours with me. 4. Conspiracy to commit fraud. I told the court's Attorney Soap never had an appointment with me. Plus, I filed a complaint with the DA's office, and they still paid this guy. 5. Conspiracy to commit reckless endangerment. Suggesting a plea deal for an innocent person, waiving time, leaving me subject to the reckless endangerment of a DA's office investigation behind a fabricated police report caught on videotape is ruthless. Fresno Superior Court Commissioner Byrd, Department 30, conduct, and Fresno Superior Court Judge Sanderson, Department 33, conduct is outrageous and intentional. These Hitler's people treat black men like they're dumb and fresh off the slave boat. They're toying with the most basic amendment rights. I couldn't even get a real judge in this town to hear a felony case. Plus more, the commissioner nor judge would appoint me a new attorney after my court-appointed attorney defrauded the county, had a no-show, refused to file a basic motion to have a real judge hear my case, not a commissioner, and then tried to set a prelim without calling one witness or taking one witness statement. All of this ineffective assistance of counsel, Judge Sanderson suspended my case at my negligent attorney's request for a 136-8 motion and ordered a mental competency appointment. Now I'm being punished when I am innocent, and we haven't even had a prelim in the case. Almost 2 years old, leaving me subject to the reckless endangerment of a DA's office. Thus, 6, conspiracy to violate my 8th Amendment right, cruel and unusual punishment. Having said that, I am asking for anyone's help to intercede and stop these torturous acts. Note, the federal case 11CV00184 has a stay on the case until the criminal proceedings are complete, signed by Judge Michael Shane on 4/1/2011. And an update status report is due on January the 27th, 2012. Please feel free to review that. Plus more, consolidation of the case 11CE-CV596 was done outside the civil local rules guidelines. See the court dockets. It seems they were looking for a way to dismiss my case, which is hints of more conspiracy. Closing in a nutshell, it seems Commissioner Byrd got mad when I asked for a real judge and started conspiring with court-appointed attorney Sok to railroad me. When I filed the motion papers myself for a real judge, I was sent to Judge Sanderson, who was told of the $1 billion federal civil complaint and started conspiring with attorney Sok to defraud the county who defrauded the county in her own courtroom, suggesting the plea deal for an innocent person. Last, anytime anyone toys with the 4th, 8th, and 14th Amendment right intentionally need not be a judge. Even evil and intentional actions are worth more than $6 billion in tort and punitive damages. Thus, declaration reissuance, a Fresno citizenship, and a passport and asylum. They treat black men like they're dumb and fresh off the slave boat. Dr. King once said, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. When you lack respect for amendment rights, you have the mindset of Hitler's concentration camp guards leading Jews to the gas chamber and think nothing of it. That's sick. One can't get closer to repealing slavery than that. In the criminal case, the police report was wrote so bad, I don't even have to hide discovery to deem the arrest malicious and the police report fabricated. In the federal civil case, there are 33 named defendants. For their intentional neglect and tort, I am asking for $1 billion per entity and $10 million per person. Thus, I am asking President Obama, Judge himself, Governor Brown, and Congressman Acosta to intercede and lessen the impact on the city, the county, and the state. I was raised in the great fields of Fresno, California, and hate to leave, but I refuse to stay anywhere where I'm treated like a third-class citizen. The model case